Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm Karen from Canaries with Karen. Appreciate you being here. Today I'm in Puerto del Carmen and doing a walk down the strip in the direction of Playa Honda, starting in the casino area and walking up along the strip. Then I double back on myself on the other side of the road, heading back towards the casino just to show you an award-winning, beautiful Greek restaurant. I will be popping the Tripadvisor rating or Google ratings up on the top right hand side of the screen for most of the restaurants and bars. This is the fourth walk in this series around the casino, and you can see the other videos on my channel. I'll also link one at the end for you. Let's go! I was staying at apartments that were situated only a minute away from the start of this walk. They were really handy. You could just go out in the evenings with no taxi, no long walks, no great hills, and I can really recommend them. They've just changed their name. They were La Branda Playa Club and they've just changed their name to Blue Sea Playa Club. It's the same place, they've just been taken over. They're 3-star rated. I'll give you all the details in my video that's coming out soon. One thing I'd like to say is that unbelievably I'm just under 1,000 subscribers. If you'd like to help support my channel and get to that magic number, you know what to do. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you. For the remainder of the video, I will be doing much less chat than I normally do in these videos and leave you to enjoy the ambient sounds of the strip and a little background music. Let me know if you like it done that way, or if you like more chat, leave me a comment. Okay, let's get on with it. If you like my content, you can also buy me a coffee. Just scan the QR code in the top left-hand side of the screen or go to the video description. Thanks to everyone who supports me in this way. It really is much appreciated. Now on with the video. I've still got a beautiful Greek restaurant to show you that's an award-winning one, and also a stunning 5-star hotel.
I have one.
Oh, that really is tiny. That's it. That's how small it is. So this is the award-winning Greek restaurant that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. I don't know of any other Greek restaurant in Puerto del Carmen. There must be another somewhere, but I don't know it. Mohammed here invited me in to show me around and show off the fact they won awards, which were up on the wall there, and the restaurant has stunning views over the sea. I think it would be really well worth a visit, and the prices aren't too bad either. They've got seating downstairs too, and look at those amazing views. It's dark now, but you can see the sea goes over there. What's your name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, love. Thank
Bye, Mohammed. That looks a really beautiful restaurant. I'd love to go there, and it looked really reasonably priced as well. Prize-winning restaurant. Let's carry on. We have to go all down those steps for this one. Right down to the sea. And there's the hotel. On the left here is Lani's restaurant, which is attached to the hotel. I was really lucky in that I did get to go into the hotel, and I will be bringing you a video on that. This visit, I just went into the foyer and they were kind enough to show me around, and it's absolutely stunning. It's 5 stars, and as you can see, totally gorgeous. And I will be bringing you a full video about the hotel. I think you'll really love this one. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to call it quits there and walk down the other side of the street and put that in another video coming up next. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.